Are you tired of keyword reports that show numbers but no story? Learn how to uncover the narrative drivers behind search trends in under 3 minutes. First, we'll access the Narrative Drivers tool in Semrush. Then I'll walk you through analyzing the data and extracting actionable insights. Start by going to your Semrush folders. Then, click on Narrative Drivers to open that tool. Now, review this part to see the initial information displayed. Next, click on the highlighted area. Once that's done, click on Analyze to run the analysis. Then, click on View Free Example to see a sample. Finally, click on Insights to explore the insights. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.